Hello and welcome to Cutting Room Digital Designs. I'm Mrs. D, and today we are going to make this really super cute little girl ghost with a bow greeting card. So she is super easy. As you can see, these are all the pieces we have. This is going to come together so quickly, but you're going to wind up with a really super cute card out of it. So we hope you have as much fun making it as we had fun designing it. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so before we dive in, I do want to point out that our file for this, there's a couple little things that you may not have noticed right away, but this is actually set up, it's flat on the bottom, so that after you make it, it's going to stand up really beautifully for whoever you are gifting this to. The other thing is that we include as a bonus, we include a envelope template. So we actually, in there is both a version with dashed cut lines so that you can do it as a single tool operation. Makes it really, really easy if you don't have a scoring blade or not scoring blade, a scoring wheel or a scoring tool of some kind. Or we do also include that particular file. We have a solid score line as well because it does make a nice clean envelope. But it's an envelope that is a standard 5x7. It is perfectly sized so that you'll be able to fit your greeting card right into it. And it's just something we include as a little bonus for you. So wanted to make sure that you know that's there. It's in the folder called Bonus Extras after you've made your download. So let's just dive on in. All right, here is the base of our card. Oh, that's something else. As you can see, this one I'm doing is blank. The version that you will find when you first open up the folder is the version that says BOO. But if you don't want it to say BOO, you want to write your own or design your own sentiment for the inside, you're certainly welcome to do that. In the Bonus Extras folder, you will find a blank version of this card. So no worries, we've got you. So let's just start. I'm going to actually start with this piece here. Here's my little, it would help if I opened up the glue first though, wouldn't it? Let's see, let's just get this going. Oh, looks like I need to get some new glue, huh? There we go. All right, easy, easy. And then I'm going to just very gently, it is not going to line up with any particular edge. You just kind of want to center it so that you see that nice black outline going all the way around, something like that. Perfect. And then let's take, we're going to use the bow that has the little holes in it for this side of the card. Here we go. All right. And then we put that, oh, look at that. I love how that silver, that glitter just pops so nicely. And then I don't know if you can see, but I actually used a white luster cardstock, which just gives a nice little bit of dimension. All right, now we're going to fold our card base in half, and I'm going to make sure I have it lined up. The large piece, there's kind of 4 folds of her little ghost skirt. The large piece is going to be more off to the left-hand side on this. Oh, I just messed up there. Oh dear. Well, it's not a huge mistake because that will get covered up when we add our bow piece, but yes, I made a mistake. So I should not have put the glue up on the bow. This piece is going to get added right after we do this step. So I'm sorry. Hopefully you will learn from my mistakes on that one. None of us is perfect. It's like Bob Ross would say, it's just a happy little mistake sometimes. All right, easy, easy. Okay, now let's do what I just was going to do there and put just a little tiny bit. And this piece, I like to actually kind of line it up so that it touches the bottom of this fold spot. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And then now we're going to take our skirt And now that we are actually looking, I'm going to flip that around. So on the back side, the largest piece is on the right, more on the right than on the left. So let's go ahead and do this. Once again, I'm just kind of centering it in there so that you can see the black outline going all the way around. And I'm going to just put this glue on here. Here we are. And again, I'm lining it up. I'm really looking down the most at the base of it because I want the interior of the card to really be covered up. Perfect. And there we have it. Oh, isn't she adorable? She is so cute. So just opens up really nicely. You can see that you get to see that bow detail on the back, but it still opens. And then once you have it open, then it rests really nicely right there. So there you have it. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you haven't already, please do hit the like, subscribe button to our channel. That way you'll be notified when we have new fun projects out and products in our Etsy shop. So anyway, thank you so much, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Happy crafting!